Alright, this is lesson 27 of your daily math review. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, 35 times 41. So if you notice 35 times 41, it's a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do standard algorithm. We've been doing 2 by 2 using area model, and I'm going to go ahead and now do some standard algorithm just to review that. So 35 times 41, I'm going to use a different color here. 1 times 5 is 5. Now I'm going to do 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, now I'm going to do the second digit here. But before I do that, I'm going to add a 0. Okay, now I'm going to do 4 times 5 is 20. There's a 0 and 20 and 2. So I'm going to carry that 2. Now I'm going to do 4 times 3, which would be 12, plus 2 more is 14. Now I can add this up together. These would be the partial products here. And I will get 1,435 is the product of 35 times 41. Alright, moving on to number 2. Find the sum of 4,105, 56,014, and 919. So what I'm going to do is, because it's really important that we line these up according to their place values and their place value. So I'm going to start with the biggest number, 56,014. Then the next one is 4,105. Okay, and then the last number is 919. Sorry guys, my pen's messing up today. Okay, so what I need to do is just find the sum, and that's adding all 3 digits together. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 9 more is 18. The ones, carry that group of 10. Right now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 tens, or 30. Now going to the hundreds place, 1 plus 9, so 100 plus 900 is 10 hundreds, or 1,000. So 0 here in the hundreds place, and carry that 1 for that one group of 1,000. Alright, so I have 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 more is 11. Carry that 1 for the 11, and now 1 plus 5 is 6. Go ahead and add your comma, third spot over. So the sum is 61,038. Alright, number 3. Complete the pattern. So a pattern is when it's something where it repeats itself, okay, using the following rule. So they actually tell us what the pattern is with this rule. Start at the number 23 and then add 11. So they give us the first 2. 23, and I'm going to do it down here. 23 plus 11 is 34. And they want us to do 4 more. Okay, so after 34, we're going to add 11. That would be 45. Plus 11 would be 56. Plus 11 is going to be 67. And plus 11 more is going to be 78. I also notice a pattern here. The tens place goes up by 1 every time, and then the ones place goes up by 1 every time. Kind of a cool pattern within the pattern itself and using the rule. Alright, and last one, number 4. Alexa made 3 stacks of wooden blocks. So 3 stacks of wooden blocks. I'm going to go ahead and set myself up for success here, and I'm going to make a table. First stack, second stack, third stack, okay? The first stack, so here's some information, was 5 blocks tall. So in her first stack, it was 5. The second stack was 10 blocks taller than the first. So 10 blocks taller than the first, that's going to mean more than the first. So I know more means add, so I need to do 10 plus 5 here to get the total for the second one. Okay, and now the third stack was 9 blocks shorter than the second stack. So whatever the second stack was, I'm going to do minus 9. Okay, so I need to find out what the second stack was first. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Now I have 15 here this information for my second stack. So now the third stack is 9 blocks shorter than the second stack. So 15 minus 9 is going to be 6. Okay, so now I have my totals for each stack. First stack is 5, second stack is 15, third stack is 6. So now let's see what's the question. How many blocks did Alexa use in all? In all, that's those special keywords. That means total. So they want us to add 15 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. 1 plus 1 is 2. So she used 26 blocks in all. Great job today. Let me know if you have any questions.